Obviously right now we're focused on refining, optimizing our first product, our flagship product. We're focused on expanding the customer base within the markets in which we've been successful. But I think something that we're very excited about is an application within the field of electronics encapsulation. What I mean by electronics encapsulation is basically producing a coating that's incredibly thin but provides an array of protective capabilities. So we're focused on applications within electronics, typically a very high-end military RF electronics, where the typical coatings that you might use would interfere with the performance characteristics of those circuitry. And so the only option in order to protect it from the environment would be to hermetically package it. So this involves putting it in a big aluminum or steel box essentially and cutting it off from the rest of the world. What we're offering and developing is a very thin protective coating that doesn't get in the way of the performance characteristics of the circuit, but provides all of those same protection capabilities. So it prevents it against dirt, dust, moisture. In certain cases we're even working on anti-tamper capabilities which would allow the circuitry to detect when there's been an intrusion of some kind. And so that's a product that has been in development for many years. It was first developed actually for medical applications where the idea is to produce insulating coatings for long-term implantation, particularly in the brain. So the idea would be that if you have something implanted in the brain, you would like it to last at least 100 years, the duration of your lifetime without degrading. So many years ago, we started working in Dr. Gleason's lab on the types of coatings that would be durable enough to do that. And we're still working in that area, have been very successful in that area. But it turns out that same product is also very good in general as an environmental protectant. And so we can do with just 2 microns of material or less, which is a tenth the width of a human hair, we can do what you might otherwise need an entire box with all the associated cost, weight and size to do under normal circumstances. I think a key challenge for us over the next 5 years is to have the patience to get through all of the qualification processes that we need to get through to see some of the applications for which we have a tremendous amount of excitement realized in the commercial markets.